Hi everyone, here I am at Home Goods. Let's see what they have, guys. Look how beautiful. I love this house. Okay, let's see how much that is. That's $16.99. Okay, so this size tree here is $5.99. And this one here is a set of 3. I don't know if I can lift that, guys. Look at this little guy. So this is $12.99. And here's a Christmas tree, $12.99. And then you have the snowman. I like him. He looks antique. Then over here we have the big signs. This is a Light Up Mary sign. Let's see what's behind here. And you have that one that says joy. These are pretty big. I don't know if I can turn them around to get a price. Let's see. Let me see. So I don't want to knock these guys down. I can't get to a price. So then you have that wooden snowman. And look at this Believe. Isn't that beautiful? That one is $16.99. Then we have the truck. Look at this farmer's truck. Farmer's Market, fresh trees, $16.99. Beautiful. Look at, and then you have the pictures. So here is the snow globe with the camper. Let's see, $14.99. Isn't that adorable? Then this one here's the truck. And you have this Merry Christmas sign, $7.99. Okay. Oh, look at this. That's so beautiful. $19.99. And there's the truck again. So look at this. I'll just scan some of this for you. Made in India. Did I see a price? No, I didn't see a price on those. Look at that Christmas tree over there. It's a wonderful, what a wonderful Christmas. I like these jars. Look how cute. $16.99. And look at the gnome snow globe. And here's a camper. I don't know, I think it's a canister. And it's $12.99. This sign here is $12.99. Oh, look, and this long pillow over here says grateful. I just can't get to a price. This is $7.99. Look, letters for Santa. Isn't that adorable? Oh, and look at this. $29.99.
Look at this. Oh, I love this. Look how much they are. cart, Al.
Maybe one of those water bottles that they were talking about on TV. Do you want one of those?
No. They are cute, though, aren't they?
$9.99 for this one. So pretty.
I think you had these before.
$149.99.
I don't want to spend money on stuff I don't need.
Oh, here's My Little Pony unicorn.
Yeah, I want to see.
Oh, look at this. Look how cute this gingerbread house. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that one. Wow, that's so beautiful. Here's some Ray-Dun birdhouses. Very beautiful. And look at some of these wreaths. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to look at their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.